Worship Ink and Chord Chart are available in the Windows Store for all versions of Windows 8. Because Windows 8 apps function slightly different than traditional Windows application, in this video we're going to review the basic navigation to add and search for songs, edit existing songs, and print from within the app. To get started, click on Sample Playlist. This playlist is preloaded into all versions of the app. To pull the menu system up, either right-click at the top or the bottom of the screen. You can also swipe from top to bottom or bottom to top when using the Microsoft Surface or other touch-enabled device. From the menu system, you can now hide a set list, save the current set list, change the key down or up, hide the chords, edit a particular song, add a new song, remove a song, or go to the home menu. To remove a song, you must make sure you have the song selected, pull up the menu, and then select Remove Song. To add a new song, you can do that at any point. After selecting Add Song, you can now click to add songs to your playlist, or, using the menu system, use the search function to search for songs either locally or using the online database. In the search dialog box, we'll type Dock of the Bay, and then it'll pull up results not only locally, but online together. If I click local at the top, it'll display local results, which I have done. Or if I click online, it'll display online results. Click the song, select Add to Playlist, and the song will automatically be added to your current playlist. Now within this song, there's some lyrics I would like to remove out of the song. So I'm going to use the menu system again using a right click, click on Edit Song, and it'll bring up the song editor. I'll simply highlight the text that I'd like to remove. Using the backspace key, it'll remove it. If I tap it a couple more times, it'll remove the spaces. I'll do it again for this last verse here. Using the backspace key, remove the text and the spaces. I'll pull up my menu again and click on the save icon to save this song as an updated song without those lyrics, and you'll see here now those additional lyrics are now gone. To change the chord position, simply tap and drag the chord where you'd like it to go. To create a new chord, tap in an open space and use the keyboard to input the text you would like. The B works well for a flat, and the number sign works well for a sharp sign. To move the text again, you're going to simply just tap and drag. If it doesn't move immediately, tap on the text, then re-tap on a chord that you'd like to move, and move it. To delete, highlight the text and hit the backspace or delete key. Once again, just select the text, it'll kind of clear that out, and you can easily move chords where you'd like them to go. Printing from a Windows 8 app is slightly different than a traditional Windows application. To get started, we're going to drag our mouse to the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. This will pull up an additional Windows menu. You can also pull up this menu by swiping from right to left on a touch-enabled device, or by using the keyboard shortcut, the Windows key plus the letter C. Here this will bring up a search option, Start, and also Devices. Click on Devices here, and here is where you can print the selected song to an installed printer on your computer. Click on the printer that you would like to use, and it'll bring up a dialog where you can change the number of copies, the orientation, color, and you can use more settings here, and these settings will be dependent on the currently installed printer. But the process is pretty simple. Select the song you'd want, go to the devices, and then select Print, and the song will be printed to your local printer. We are now going to review the song management portion of the app. To get started, we're going to right click and select Songs. This can also be pulled up by swiping from bottom to top. By sliding the cursor from left to right, we can see the entire song database. You can also swipe on a touch-enabled device for this. Double-clicking on a song opens it up, where now we can use the icon at the top right to edit the song itself, edit the chords, edit the lyrics. Right-click, it brings up the menu again. We're going to cancel out of this. We'll edit this at another time. Using the arrow here, we go back to the main song list. And if we right-click on a song, it'll also bring up the menu at the bottom where we can delete an individual song. Click the delete key here. It'll bring up a dialog just confirming what we want to do. I'm going to cancel. I'm going to keep this song. Also, we see a couple of other options here. This menu can be pulled up by right-clicking anywhere on the screen. It shows import here, or an export all. So we're going to export this. Exports our entire song database into a file. It auto-generates the file name, and then it'll pull up the location. By default, it's in my SkyDrive, but it's wherever you want to store your documents. It can be anywhere on your computer. and we simply click the Save button, and it'll save our entire song database into that one file. And we can import a different song database or the same one back in. If you're transferring it from a new PC, you just find the song database tile, click it, and then go down to the bottom and select Open, and this will import all these songs back in. To send a song via email, click on the song that you'd like to send, then drag your mouse to the bottom right hand corner to pull up the Windows menu. Select the Share icon. From here we'll select Mail, Send an Email. Then in the To box, type in the email address you would like to send the song to. It'll include these two file attachments along with the email. When the recipient receives the email, if they had the application already installed, double click on the song file and it'll load it straight into the app. Hopefully this video has been helpful to learn some of the features integrated into Chord Chart for Windows 8. For additional technical support, email support@charthouseusa.com. Thanks again for using Chord Chart for Windows 8.